Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we show you how to replace an outer tie rod on this 2003 Nissan Altima. And it's the same process on these Altimas from 2002 to 2006. And we show you on the passenger side, however, it is the same process on the driver's side. And the items you'll need for this is a new outer tie rod from 1AAuto.com, a 22mm or 7/8 inch wrench, a 7, 19, and 21mm sockets and ratchet, tape measure, pliers, and jack stands. Start off by removing your wheel. If you don't have air-powered tools, you're going to want to loosen the lug nuts while the vehicle's on the ground, then jack it up and remove them the rest of the way. First, measure from your inner tie rod to the end of your outer tie rod, and remember that length. Next, you want to remove the cotter pin from this castle nut, and ours is in such bad shape that we actually just break it off, but what you should do is just pull it from the other side with a pair of pliers and pull it out. We just don't have that option. But once you have it removed, you want to remove this 19mm castle nut. Then, using your 22mm or 7/8 inch wrench, you want to just break this loose. Now use a hammer and hit the knuckle to break the outer tie rod free, and then it just lifts up and out, and you can just twist it off. On the right is the old outer tie rod, on the left is the new one from 1A Auto. You can see they're identical and they'll mount exactly the same. Twist in this grease fitting and just tighten it up. It's a 7mm socket to do this. Then twist your new outer tie rod into place. Then put it into place in the knuckle. And replace that 19mm castle nut. And just tighten that up. Now you want to measure from your inner tie rod to the edge of the outer, make sure it's the right distance. And if it is, then you just want to tighten that nut up.
If the distance needs to be adjusted, just turn the inner tie rod to get it correct, and you will want to have, if your vehicle doesn't steer correctly at all, you'll want to have your alignment checked and adjusted after this repair.
Push your cotter pin through and just bend the ends of it. Replace your wheel, hubcap, and lug nuts. And tighten the lug nuts preliminarily, lower the vehicle, and tighten them the rest of the way. And then you want to torque the lug nuts in a crossing pattern to 100 foot-pounds.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.